Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I thought I would show you my childhood favorite soup. It's getting chilly out there and my mom would make this amazing hot and sour soup that has all the flavors that Indo-Chinese cuisine is known for. I'm not claiming that this is authentic, but this is what I grew up eating. It's just so warm and nourishing, and it's got some veggies, it's got some chicken, lots of swaps and lots of substitutions that you can do. So let's start cooking. So today I'm showing you a shortcut by using store-bought vegetable stock. On the blog I have the full recipe for making this with chicken stock from scratch, so be sure to check it out. I'm aiming for 5 cups of liquid, so I'm going to add some water as well. You can add some chicken here at this point if you wish. Of course, if you want to just keep it vegetarian, simply leave the chicken out. Add all the seasonings. Because I avoid gluten and soy sauce contains gluten, many of my recipes give you substitutes like coconut aminos, and that's what I'm adding here. And now for the sugar to balance it all out. But if you're trying to avoid sugar, you can skip it. Lastly, add the red chili powder and let the chicken cook. True to Indo-Chinese recipes, my mom used carrots and cabbage, so that's what I'm doing here. You can matchstick, julienne, or grate your carrot. I'm using my box grater today because I find that to be faster. I prefer to cut my cabbage into short, thin strips because I find shredding it would just make it too small, and I like to get a bit of a bite in my soup. For heat, I am adding 1 chopped jalapeno pepper because we like our soup spicy. But you can cut it in half or even omit it altogether. I do feel that this gives the soup a bit of a kick, so I would recommend you add your chili pepper. I'll add the jalapeno to the pot, and right around this time the chicken should be ready. This should take about 20 minutes. Chop up the chicken and put it right back with the grated carrots and cabbage. At this point, I add some tomato sauce and adjust the seasonings. Because I'm using store-bought stock, the addition of the tomato sauce can make the soup a little ketchupy. So in this case, simply half the amount of tomato sauce or skip it altogether. Let the soup continue to cook on medium heat and start on the slurry. I'm keeping it grain-free today by using tapioca flour to thicken it up. You can use corn flour if you wish. I have both options on my blog post. Now you do want to be careful with tapioca flour as it tends to break up if it gets too hot. So once fully incorporated, turn off the heat. You will see it get nice and thick. The final step, egg ribbons, customary to any Chinese soup. I add this at the very end as it cooks up fast simply from the heat of the soup. And that's it. My mother's recipe is updated with shortcuts and swaps so that you can enjoy it whatever lifestyle you follow. Whole30, grain-free, gluten-free. I hope you and your family enjoy it as much as me and mine do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.